How to disable monochrome player on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable monochrome player on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this icon, this settings icon in the top corner. Click on it, and now click this one here in preferences, click display, and now all you need to do is just find this one player, and here you will find monochrome player. Now all you need to do is just, if you want to disable it, click on it, and as you see here, monochrome player have been disabled. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.